If you're a creator in 2026, you already know the rules keep shifting under our feet every single day. Algorithms change every other week, attention spans are shrinking, and success rarely comes to the most talented people alone. True winning today comes from the ability to pump out a steady stream of high-quality content without burning out. That volume and consistency combination is the absolute secret sauce, but it is also the biggest headache for most of us. Most creators I know are juggling a massive stack of disjointed tools just to get one short clip finished. One app to record, another to clip, another for captions, and then some other system entirely to schedule and post everything. It is slow, it is messy, and quite frankly, it is completely exhausting to keep up with that pace every single week. So in this video, I want to talk about 3 tools people mention all the time and show you a workflow that actually scales. I'll compare Riverside, Submagic, and Opus Clip to see what they are really capable of doing. But I'm also going to show you why a tool like Vizard might be what you actually need to maintain quality while increasing volume. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Julian, an entrepreneur and a content nerd who absolutely hates wasting time. Let me walk you through the real-world pros and cons of these platforms and how they feel to actually use. We will see how Vizard can slot into your process to make publishing almost entirely automatic. First up, let's talk about Riverside, which is a solid product that many creators rely on as an all-in-one studio. You can record remote interviews, hook up a DSLR, and capture high-fidelity audio and video tracks easily. It uploads everything in full quality even if your internet connection is a little bit sketchy, which is huge for reliability. The editor inside Riverside is neat too because it handles transcriptions, auto captions, and even magic clips. It lets you crop aspect ratios and generate summaries in minutes, spitting out social-ready assets very quickly. What I love about Riverside is the level of granular control you get over your camera settings and audio tracks. However, it is not perfect if your primary job is turning long episodes into dozens of individual shorts. It is built around the recording and post-edit loop, which is brilliant for podcasts but lacks auto-scheduling at scale. You still end up deciding which clips go live and when, which becomes a bottleneck when you want to publish consistently. Next is Submagic, which I have paid for myself, mostly for the captions and the visual templates they offer. The strength of Submagic is how quickly it can slap on stylized captions that make short-form videos look polished. Paste a long video and it will auto-generate a bunch of clips and give you caption templates you can drop in. It feels snappy, and it is great if you only need a few slick-looking shorts and you want them done fast. But the trade-off here is selection quality, because the AI can be a little too greedy when picking highlights. From a long video, it might spit out 20 clips, but maybe only 2 are actually usable without heavy manual editing. Also, while the captions look great, the tool doesn't handle platform-specific scheduling or distribution for you. So again, you are left exporting and scheduling manually, which defeats the purpose of an automated pipeline. Then there is Opus Clip, which is clean, minimal, and very easy to use if you are new to video editing. It transcribes and ranks moments, and tries to auto-generate short clips with automatic B-roll insertions. For casual use, it gets the job done and the interface is tidy, which makes it quite approachable. But in my testing, the auto B-roll and some of the creative suggestions can look a little off or mismatched. Again, it can produce usable clips, but you usually end up doing a fair amount of manual cleanup anyway. So where does that leave us in our quest for a truly scalable content workflow? Riverside is a powerhouse, Submagic is a caption machine, and Opus is simple, but they miss the core problem. None of them solve the problem of automating the entire long-to-short pipeline plus reliable scheduling. That is exactly why I want to put Vizard on your radar today as a solution. Vizard is built specifically for creators who need to turn long videos into steady streams of high-quality shorts. It does 3 things exceptionally well: automatic viral clip editing, auto-scheduling, and a centralized content calendar. And it does all of these things without stripping away your creative control over the final output. Here is the way I actually use it to keep my own workflow moving quickly. I drop in a long-form video, like a podcast or a live stream, and Vizard's AI scans the whole thing. It finds the high engagement moments, scores them for virality, and spits out a set of ready-to-post clips. Instead of throwing random slices at you, it ranks them and groups them by theme, hook, or energy level. You get previews, can tweak the clip length, adjust captions, and even swap the automated subtitles tone. That capability alone saves me hours of work every single week compared to cutting clips manually. The scheduling feature is truly what changes the game for your consistent output strategy. Tell Vizard how often you want to post, and it will queue up clips and auto-post them based on your settings. You can set preferred posting windows and platform rules, keeping your content flow consistent. That means once you have fed Vizard a batch of long videos, you can literally let it run for weeks. The content calendar ties it all together, letting you see what is scheduled and drag and drop to reschedule. No bouncing between 5 platforms and no exporting dozens of files and re-uploading them manually. It is all in one place, which is the kind of workflow that actually lets you publish consistently without burning out. I also want to stress the perfect balance between automation and actual human control. Vizard lets you automate the heavy lifting but still gives you the levers to refine everything. You can accept the AI picks as is, do a quick pass to improve captions, or rebuild a clip entirely. The virality scoring helps you prioritize which clips to amplify with paid promotion or extra reposts. If you need pro-level recording, Riverside is unbeatable for capturing interviews and multi-track assets. If you want slick caption styles quickly, Submagic has a very neat library of templates. If you want something ridiculously simple and minimal, Opus Clip gets the job done for basic needs. But if your play is volume publishing with quality control, Vizard is built for that exact pipeline. It replaces the messy stack of different clippers and captioners with one streamlined flow. A couple practical tips if you try this out. Don't expect perfection on the very first run. Let Vizard process a few episodes, use the viral score to teach your taste, and tweak the caption templates. After a couple weeks, the AI gets way better at surfacing the types of moments that work for you. Also, use the calendar to plan ahead by batch feeding a month of content so you can sleep better at night. If you only need a few quick clips, Submagic or Opus are fine, but for consistent growth, Vizard hits the sweet spot. It finds those viral moments, turns them into ready-to-post content, and schedules them on autopilot. Again, I'm not saying ditch every tool you use, because you can mix and match to find your specific workflow. Use Riverside for recording if you need pro setups, but let Vizard take the files and turn them into your engine. Alright, that's it from me, so try a couple tools and see what fits your creative needs best. If you want my recommendation for scaling without sacrificing quality, definitely give Vizard a shot. It is the kind of tool that helps you spend more time making new ideas and less time fretting over uploads. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you grow your channel, and I will catch you in the next one.